Hello, this is a Bechstein Model 10 upright piano, 131 centimeters tall, made in 1905. And it's one of the pianos that we really appreciate. It has a very sweet tone in the middle and a very precise touch. And as you know from other videos, we try to perfect the touch so that it's very, very even, like a new piano. And there's no reason why you shouldn't study on a piano like this. It does have 85 and not 88 keys, but that doesn't prohibit study. There's no exams made for 88 keys as far as I know. There might be some with alternative pieces for the extra top keys, but all exam pieces fit on an 85 key piano, because many of the older pianos have 85 keys. It's worth bearing in mind that the Model 10 is a straight strung, so down this end the bass isn't as strong as it would be on an overstrung piano, though around this area it's slightly more even tone, as that's probably one of the reasons why Bechstein decided to do a straight strung piano, but under damper, so it damps extremely well. So thank you very much for listening. If you're interested in the piano, please do write to us, info@robertspianos.com.